In this episode, we are going to make a little road trip to another place. We're heading to my old shared studio space where I will use a CNC milling machine to shape the final turntable platter. As you may already know, I'm building a record embossing lathe in a box. Feel free to check out the other episodes to follow along. If you like this channel, you can support me via PayPal Me. The final platter will be made from POM plastic. This material has enough density, good acoustics and damping properties, and it's easy to machine. With my platter design, the POM block has to be milled from both sides. On one side, 4 grooves are machined. That's where the anti-slip rubber bands will sit. After that side is done, the platter is flipped over and the guide recess for the shaft will be machined as well. The results look great. Also, some details still needs to be refined. So let's head back home to my studio. Now it's time to take the platter out of the POM block. With the help of a router, I can flush trim the outer edge of the platter. The top side gets a 45-degree chamfer on the outer edge. So now the turntable has its final shape. The old prototype platter can now be disassembled. For the center screw, I'm using a new bolt design with a much flatter head. The final platter weighs more than 1.3 kilos. That mass is great for smooth running and low imbalance. The rubber seals are pushed into the recessed channels. The center hold-down device has been overhauled and is now held together with 3 screws, plus a rougher grip on the outer surface. However, during the initial tests I noticed that the blank and the rubber seals were slipping as well. My anti-slip design doesn't have enough grip to hold the blank in place, so I have to come up with an improvement. After trying a few different approaches, I decided to insert small pieces of TPU tubes, so they apply enough tension for the rubber seal. This prevents it from slipping and hopefully provides enough grip in the end. Now the final platter can be installed onto the drive shaft. Finally, we can do a grip test with the blank. With the now fixed design, it works great and seems strong enough to handle the pressure from the embossing head. The center hole adapters get a design overhaul as well, so now they are easier to remove from the center and to swap. To align the platter exactly with the substructure, I had to use a spirit level and adjust a few aluminum profiles and angles to the correct position. That's it for today. In the next episodes we will take a look at the acrylic cladding of the machine, the power supply and the controls. Have a great start to 2026. See you next time.